Let's see how to create a drop-down menu in Wix. So first is we're going to go here in Pages and Menu, and then add menu item, click drop-down. And from here, you can rename your drop-down button. Let's say it's more. And click done. After that, you can drag items into the drop-down box, or you might want to add some page right there if you like. But let's drag for now, like this blog section and this shop. Drag it right there. And that's it. When it's done, let's click preview to view what's in the drop-down button. And here in our menu, we have this projects, info, contacts, and more. When you hover your mouse right here, it's going to show 2 pages that we drag to the drop-down menu. And it's shop and blog. And that's it. That's how to create a drop-down menu in Wix. See you soon!